Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's New Year's Eve weekend here in Clinton, Massachusetts. I've come here to do some rail fanning. On the way to White Mountains, New Hampshire. What's going on? Kind of bad lighter. Another one, but yeah. Going to see a friend, but they want to come out of the house, so here we are. I figured a way up. You can tell here what they're doing here. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. I'm way up to New Hampshire, the White Mountains, to do some Appalachian Trail exploring. I figured, what the hell? Let's do some rail fanning in Clinton, Massachusetts. So I just see Stalker Boy, but you know, try to do what he did to the peddler from Brooklyn. He refused to come out. That's his new nickname because Turtle Boy's in jail, so he took over the reins. So I wanted to see if he would go with me in the Appalachian. 2-man enter, 1-man leaves, right? But chickened out and called the police on me. So I said, all right. Here we are, you guys. What do you guys think, huh? Teach love? Yeah, okay. It's kind of interesting place here. Kind of, it looks like, I don't know what kind of rail line this is. Interesting to say the least. Never know what you're gonna find. You walk along here, find all kinds of fun stuff, bad stuff, good stuff. Not too bad up here in Massachusetts, the Commonwealth. Clothes around, bottles. Not too bad of a city, kind of a cesspool of cities, you can kind of tell. Look at this trash here. Look at this. Wine bottles. Jesus. But I try to get hold of Stalker Boy and say, hey man, let's have it out. You know, wants to rape my wife and hog tie me. I even brought rope. And a body bag. But you know, when you talk big game and in comes the man, you run off. But we'll do some. I have some other later on. You'll see some more videos. But yeah, look at this. Huh? Interesting. So you could make these. A lot of these are abandoned out back in Minnesota in Lakeville. Take these things off and make these into dump trucks when they're abandoned. Cut them off, probably come down the middle, make two dump trucks, or one. Cut off the top, cut all this off the bottom, and make them a dump truck. You could. Wouldn't be that tough. Just cut up all this stuff. Let the railroad have it. The things I do. Things I do for you guys. Do all this behavior. My channels. Traveling, the White Mountains, hardest part of the Appalachian Trail. They'll be coming after this. After this stuff, you'll see me in the White Mountains and Appalachian Trail. You saw me in Atlanta, rail fanning. Saw me in the Smoky Mountains. Oh, you guys have no idea how hard it is to do what I do. Maintain 2 channels, travel around the United States of America, work 2 jobs, married. Just a lot of work, bitch boys. Those train spotting, rail fanning. But I tried to get hold of Stalker Boy. You know, I even had my Boston hat on. Had some cigars for him. Yeah, you knock on the door, views to come out. Remember, he did that to the pedo from Brooklyn. He did that also, what's his name? But when someone else comes to him and does it, what does he do? Calls the police, refuses to come out and pay for his crimes. But whatever, I'll go do something else. Stop by Douche's house, refused to come to Grandma's house, so his fiance. And he spent $120 on a cordless thing. He could have bought a mixer with that and a boom mic. Those are not made for podcasting, but still mumbling right along, you know, whatever. That thing he bought is for on the phone. A boom mic is for podcasting, but could have bought a mixer for 20 bucks, a boom mic for 100, and in a real way. Look at that, oh my God. My goodness. Oh yeah. Oh, rail fanning, train spotting, Clinton, Massachusetts. Kind of tearing this thing up a little bit. Look at this. Weather's not too bad. Goodness. Yeah. Look at all this graffiti here. There's a bunch of animals here. Good old Commonwealth. Yep. Yeah, I mean, I just see them. I don't see any engines coming my way. Do you? Good old stalker boy could have came. Oh no. But I got another place I had to go to as well. So I like rail fanning. It's fun walking railroad tracks. Oh, look at that, needles on here. See that down there? Look at this stuff. Trash everywhere. I'd climb up here. Or should I? I can climb up there. Get up on top of there and fuck off. Rail fan, that's best. Get up and close. Oh, look at that. Food. All kinds of good stuff. No dead bodies yet. You know, sometimes you just got to get out of the house and travel around the United States of America and look at the whole world, right? Look at all that. Someone's clothing. You know what the hell that's all about. What do you think, huh? Never know what you're gonna find, right? So, toys everywhere, right? Dun, dun, dun. Should we call it the Stalker Boy? What we'll do is we'll put it right up here. We'll take a picture of it. We'll have it on the thumbnail. What do you think? Anyways, guys, somewhere in Clinton, Massachusetts. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next one.